Hi, welcome back to our channel. This video is all about the AI tool called Rytr. We will be talking about its features and we will also see whether it is worth trying or not. So let's begin. First, let's look at what Rytr is. As the name suggests, Rytr is a platform that eases the task of content writing. It works through AI or artificial intelligence, and through AI, it delivers high quality content in a matter of few seconds. As you can see, Rytr is trusted by so many users all around the world, and it has received a lot of good reviews with an overall rating of 4.5 out of 5. Now let's look at how does Rytr work. If you can see over here, this is basically how Rytr works. You first need to choose a use case or the category for which you aim to create content. Then give in some input to the AI and then wait for Rytr to create the content for you. This is a glimpse of the interface. We will be looking into it in detail in some time, so watch ahead. Now let's look at what is Rytr useful for. Here are some of the use cases or categories of content writing that Rytr caters to. Blog idea and outline, business idea pitch, copywriting framework, email, ads for Facebook and Twitter, landing page and website copies, reply to reviews and messages, SEO meta title, text editing, and much more. Next, let's look at the plans available on Rytr. Rytr has a free plan, a saver plan, and an unlimited plan. If you want to get the best deal for Rytr, we will have a link in the description box. Do check it out. You can see a comparative view of the features of all these three plans here, but let's just briefly talk about it. The free plan gives you up to 5,000 characters per month and a couple of other benefits as well, including the plagiarism checker. The saver plan has a limit of 50,000 characters per month and has a lot of other benefits as well. It is available for $9 per month, but you can get it for 2 months free if you're subscribing for the whole year. The unlimited plan provides, as it says over here, unlimited characters per month, and it is available for $29 per month, in which you will also get 2 months free if you're subscribing for the whole year. For this video, we are going to go ahead with the free plan for demonstration. Just click on Start Now and you will be taken to the Sign Up page. You can sign up with your Google account or continue with your Facebook or LinkedIn IDs or just use your email ID. Let's go ahead with email ID. Just enter your email ID and click on Next. A verification code will be sent to your email. Enter the verification code and click on Verify. Then you need to create a password and a username and then click on Finish. After successfully signing up, you will be taken to the interface where you can start creating content. Let's look at the interface briefly. On the left side, you can see there are options for you to start generating the content using the AI tool, and on the right side there is a blank space. This is where the AI tool will generate the content for you after you have selected all the settings on the left side. So let's begin and see how this AI tool called Rytr works. First, you can select the language from this drop-down menu. Next to it, you can select the tone of the content. There are a lot of options here, as you can see. For this demonstration, we are going with casual. Next, you need to choose a use case, which is basically the category of content you want to create here on Rytr. And you can see there are a lot of choices over here. At the bottom of this list, you can see that you also have the option to create your own use case. For this video, we are going to go ahead with blog idea and outline. After selecting the use case, you will see many more options appear over here. The first one is to enter a primary keyword. So let's say we are going to write a blog about how to make money online. So you will write make money online in the primary keyword. You have a word limit over here, so keep in mind that. The next thing is to select the number of variants, which simply means this will be the number of different versions of content that the platform will generate for you. So let's go ahead for 3. And lastly, we have the creativity level, in which you will see there are a lot of options. We are going for optimal in this case. Once you have selected all the options, you need to click on Write for Me. Give the platform some time so it can generate the content for you. Now you can see that Rytr has generated a title and a few subheadings along with keywords on the right side of the interface. You can use these exact phrases or words or you can edit them. There are many text editing options above where you have the choice to change the font to bold, italics, underline, etc. Other options for editing the text here include the H1, H2, H3 for the subheadings, and then there is alignment of the text. You can add an image as well, and so many other options that you can see over here. If you scroll down, you can take a look at all the variants that the platform has generated for you. You can delete the ones which you feel are not relevant for your keywords and work on the one that feels appropriate for your blog. On the top right corner, you can see the word count and character count. If you select any text from here, you will see many options appear. First, the word count will be displayed here, and then you can see options like command, improve, rephrase, paragraph, and more. If you click on more, you will find the options like expand, shorten, append, and plagiarism. You can use the expand option to let the AI write more content for the phrase that you have chosen. And then the shorten option is to shorten a paragraph. If you feel that it's too long, then you can use this option. Use the append option if you want a better version of what the AI has provided to you. And lastly, there is a plagiarism option to check for plagiarism. So this is the way how you can generate content, not just for blogs, but many other use cases as well, as we had shown in the drop-down menu on the left side. Once you're satisfied with the content after making the changes, you can also use the plagiarism checker here or check for plagiarism on any other platform. And then it is all about pressing Control or Command C and Control or Command V on whichever blogging platform you're using. Again, if you want to get the best deal for Rytr, we'll have a link in the description box. Do check it out. So that was all about Rytr. And to answer the question whether it is worth it or not, we definitely think it is worth it. We hope this video was helpful to you. For more such informative videos, stay tuned and stay subscribed.